What's up, guys? Hope everyone is having a good day. Today should be pretty fun. We're gonna be hosting our own show with the crew. We already did this once before, and the first time was actually a really good turnout. So we're hoping that this time it gets pretty poppin', or even more. Who knows? But we're gonna have some of my girlfriend's fam coming with us this time, so it should be really fun. Pretty excited for that. So yeah. Let's get into it, man.
We don't know who these black cars are that are on each side, so.
I guess so. Can I park on the other side of that SUV? Yeah, that's the boy. Sheesh. Damn, son.
Bye.
Love it.
It's cute.
What's going on, man?
Jeep. Hey, do you like it? Hey, my brother, my sister-in-law.
Say what's up.
Yeah. What up?
Waiting for my side skirts to get here.
Okay.
I want to do like the whole thing, you know.
All at once.
It'd probably look okay, but I was like, fuck it, I'll just wait.
Get a new piece for the back as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it should match the.
Scrape a little more on the floor.
I don't know. Maybe the lip. The side skirt should be okay still.
Just the front lip.
Because it's a replacement.
Okay.
It won't stick onto that. It's a full replacement.
The front lip replacement.
No, it's actually going to stick onto that one. So that one...
That's going to be low.
Yeah. Turbo? Okay. What do you think?
This is like one of my top 3 cars right here. Probably
Yeah?
top 1, yeah.
It's so sick, huh?
Yeah, the body kit he has on it is dope, and the Batman vibes. I
Yeah.
love it. It's like any Batman vibes.
I love the pink he has. The little purple.
He drives on the right
Look at this.
I like that. He drives on the right side? That shit's
Yeah.
crazy.
It's imported from Japan.
The color's nice on that too. Are you recording that one?
It's like all states.
It's twin. Yeah, sick ass hood. Damn. Clean ass fool, huh? I got those for mine too, but a different style.
Like
Yeah, it's a little different style. It'll look
fucking
clean.
beadlock.
Crazy, huh? Yeah, those ones over there, they have the motor in the back.
That's why they're quick now. Even though they're already fucking.
This is so sick, bro. The carbon wing on it, this shit looks nice.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucking big. Super clean though. That's a easy like 100 bands though right there.
We'll be there.
Oh,
then.
he made it.
Oh,
That's my buddy.
Oh, yeah.
That's my twin. They're the ones that are part of the crew too.
Oh, the Cynthia, no?
The boy showed up.
It's coming? What's up, Luis? What's
He
up?
made it.
I know, I made it. Huh? Drive it too fast, alright?
What up? He made it.
Shit, it's a great turnout again, bro. It's a great turnout.
Yeah,
again.
it's coming out.
I was like, I'm afraid
Coming.
nobody's gonna show up on the second
Yeah, they're
time.
coming. A la madre. The boy showed up too. Sick ass color. Little dance show or what?
He just made us look way poor now. can't believe this, bro.
What do you got to say to the people?
So first of all, thanks for coming out to our meet. Well, we're definitely expecting more people to come out next time. You know, it's getting hotter.
Yep.
But the cars are way getting hotter. You know?
Yeah.
You know, so the lineup is hotter than the weather right now.
It's crazy, bro.
See this
It's
Cybertruck?
crazy, bro. Come on. And the R34 over there, bro.
Is that same one? It's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, where's my lady?
What up, vlog?
What do you think of the R34 though?
I know, I saw it earlier. I'm like, damn.
2.5?
Oh, one of them got the RB25.
And the GTR is a 26.
Yeah.
Guys, it is popping. I think there's a bit more people than last time we did this. What do you think? It's popping.
Here, I'll film.
It's recording. Oh shit.
There, you can see it over here.
So, this is my boy Luis. So we got Cafe 86. You want to hand the
Right.
barely see
You
it.
can barely see it, but it's right there.
We hosted this, and come out next month. I don't know the official date.
From the looks of it though, we're definitely doing this again next month.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
There's
Yes.
a lot of people.
We filled up the whole parking lot. Be sure to drop my boy a follow, subscribe, so he can do that cringy ass video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy.
Need a little more energy.
Bro, your outro should be
It's your boy Luis.
Joke's on you, we're actually gonna take the video coming out the other side.
fuck. Alright, what up, guys?
You already know I'm chilling with my boy Denzel here.
Hell yeah.
Hey man, what do you think it'll turn out?
Hey, it's turned out great.
Crazy or what?
Crazy. A lot of people came.
Yeah. A few of them are starting to leave now. So it's a little more chill now, but it's still a pretty good turnout. And the business is popping over there still.
Yeah, still, yeah.
That's what it's all about, man.
The GTRs pulled up, Lambos pulled up.
Shit. We got everything. A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything for sure.
Porsches too, 911s.
Y'all make sure to come next time, alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm just kidding.
Hey, thanks for coming out, man.
Muchas gracias. I felt that right here.
It was the right amount of pumps.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Until
Yup. See ya, man. See ya.
The next day.
¿Me das un hug? Ven. Hi.
Hello.
Dile hi, vlog.
What's up, guys? This is gonna be a part 2 to this vlog again. As you guys saw in that little clip of my niece, it's daytime again. So we're going to another show. I'm gonna meet up with my boy Gabe and his clean Z that you guys saw in the last vlog. But first, we're gonna go get Dutch real quick, because that's our usual routine, and it's really hot. And I like Dutch, so that's what we're gonna do right now.
We got our Dutches. Ready to head over?
Yep, we're on the way now. So I got my G. Hey, Luis, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice little truck or what? Shit boosted or what? Probably. A la madre.
heading out now.
Yep, we're on the way. Yeah, look at Gabe. Stealing the crowd.
Always,
Stealing the crowd like usual.
Not even 5
Not even 5 minutes into it, and look at, he's already got a whole crowd. Crazy. Pues ya llegamos. Vamos a ver qué show.
La Michoacana.
A la madre, mira. Breaking necks for a living today or what? You finna be boosted here pretty soon, in a few more months.
Did you show him the heat though?
What?
You didn't even show him the heat on the feet?
It's some light, bro. It's some light, bro. You already know. Shit.
See the halfway, man.
Hey, this shit low-key a sleeper or what?
See that tire? You better not
A little tire? Shit. For real?
Like right here.
Damn. Handing out gaps, bro.
Give him a cut.
Hey, my G, you need a cut? Say it less. Be famous.
I was born like this. I was just joking. That's a real Ricky Bobby shit.
We gotta put the flashlight on the owner too.
Hey, it's bright lights, new Friday night lights.
Yeah, this is just another day.
This is another day of business. I just want to make out at round 1. If I can make out at round 1,
That's it.
you know, that's love.
That's it.
I think I'm going against the sea.
Ah, you got it, bro. Why is it?
My tune for the 2-step.
Bruh.
That's all good. I made it out the first round. That's why I want to make it out the first round. Thanks, bro.
La mamalona, mira. Right here.
Baby, que tú tienes que me tienes viciado.